Hello, this is Melissa with Midtown Health, and this week's topic is Breathe Deep. Your challenge for the week is to sit quietly for 5 minutes per day, 5 days this week, and just focus on your breath. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. We move so quickly during the day. Our breathing becomes shallow, our chest caves in, our back curves forward. That shallow breathing really increases anxiety. That impacts your health many ways, but one of them is heightened blood pressure, which is very common. Essentially, the mind-body connection is about your emotional health. When you have good emotional health, you're aware of your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. You've learned healthy ways to cope with all the stress and problems that are a normal part of life. You feel good about yourself and have healthy relationships. But so many things can happen in our lives that disrupt emotional health. And your emotional health impacts your physical health. Certain emotions have been associated with disease. Hostile attitudes and anxiety may increase your risk for coronary heart disease, obesity, insulin resistance, which leads to diabetes, and also abnormal cholesterol. Breathing deep and focusing is an in-the-moment stress reducer. Research definitely shows that being stressed and experiencing negative emotions can be unhealthy. Exercise, nutrition, and sleep are all important, but they should and often do go hand in hand with balanced emotional health. In meditation, practitioners often refer to the monkey mind. This is a mind that won't stay still and wants to jump around. Everyone has this experience. It is a normal response, but it can be minimized over time. Acknowledge that your brain will jump around to the many items you have on your to-do list, also to issues or concerns you might be experiencing. There's plenty of time for that in the day, so take these 5 minutes to be still and quiet. Use this technique to focus on your breath. Breathe in and slowly count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out and slowly count backwards from 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's an example. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sitting in silence and breathing deep changes your physiology. It improves your bodily systems, including your heart rate, your blood pressure, and your digestive functioning. Just being yourself without the anxieties and details of the day allows you to transform into the best you that you can be. Set a timer, possibly on your cell phone, one with a pleasant sound, so you don't have to stop and constantly find a clock to find out how much time has passed. If at all possible, find a private space where you can be quiet and focus for that 5 minutes. It will be very challenging to keep your mind from wandering, so be patient when it occurs. Simply refocus on your breath and clear your mind again. This is a practice, it takes time. Give yourself that time to get better. This week's challenge is to sit quietly and focus on your breathing for 5 minutes at a time, 5 days this week. Try to just focus on your breath during that time. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. We are excited that you have accepted our challenge. We look forward to seeing your results. This is Midtown Health, keeping your organization healthy.